Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an installation video. We will be installing this 34-inch real HD lace, real 13x6 wig from LEMODA hair. And I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, you guys. Let's get that out the way. It's not sponsored. We are going to go ahead and hop into this video, and I am obsessed with this hair. So I'm 5'7", and this hair is really, really long on me, you guys. Like, it comes down here. So I am obsessed. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and install this 34-inch loose wave wig, and y'all, it's super duper thick. Like, whoa. Let me scoop back some. Like, this hair is really, really thick. I'm super excited, and the lace seems like it is real HD lace, as you all can see the little hair fibers on the end. So I'm super excited. So I did already bleach the knots and pluck the hairline, but I'm ready to get this baby on. Like, look at that. She's super pretty, super thick, and it's a full 13x6. So we might do like a fun little style today. I don't know. As you all can see, this is a real 13x6. So I'm super duper excited. I feel like this install will not take too long. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is spray a little lace tint on the lace to get it a little closer to my skin tone. I'm using the Even lace tint. This is in the color medium brown, you guys. Here it is. And then I'm gonna blow dry it to dry up all this lace tint. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, slap it on, and see what it's looking like. I might have to do a little plucking because I feel like I didn't do the best plucking job, but we'll see how it looks. Okay, so that's how she's looking, you guys. As you can see, the lace is super duper thin. Okay. I'm really happy about that. Let me pull my shirt down. Well, I'll stand up and let you all see where it's falling on me. Of course, it is dry, and I'm gonna put a little product in it to stretch the curls when I actually do style the hair, but I'll show you all what it's looking like. So this is where it's falling on me, and I'm 5'7", you guys. Okay guys, so we just cut 3 sections into the hair. So we have a section here, a section on the side, and a section on the side. I just cut 2 slits at the temples right here. And I'm going to pin this hair back because this is actually like a lot of hair, you guys. I'm excited. This is a lot of hair. I know it looks crazy. My forehead looks insane. And I'm going to use Oh Reliable here and go above Holo glue today. And we're gonna do at least 4 layers. I wanna do a nice amount of layers today. So let's go ahead and start with layer 1. I don't know how I wanna do this. We'll go ahead and start in the middle over here. Okay, I'm just gonna put a needle in this glue so more can come out next time. Bam. Okay, so we're gonna do the second layer. I'm just blow drying until the glue is clear, you guys, if you can't tell. So the glue looks clear, so that's how I know I'm done and it's ready for the next layer. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do layer 3. As you can see, it's already getting pretty tacky to where it's trying to take my glue from my hand. Okay, we're gonna do one last layer. I am getting tired, honey. I am getting tired. And I don't know if you noticed this, but if you watch my install videos, I end up chewing on my tongue a lot. I really do that a lot. I don't know what that is, but I just be bored and I just be chewing on my tongue. But let's do this last layer. We're gonna do a really thin layer. I feel like this is gonna be my problem side this time. But let's do this. Okay, now 4 layers later, let's go ahead and put this lace down where we want it. All right. We don't want too much excess lace on there, so we're gonna put the wig right where the glue is, where the hair starts, really. Because we don't want too much excess lace. So like right there, you see? Bam. Let's do this side. Okay, it already looks cute. Like I already look like bow. But okay, so We do need to free these ears. So let's go ahead and free these ears over here. And you might cut some hair, but don't be too alarmed. It's like right here. I feel like this is coming up a little bit. You might cut a little bit of hair. Now we can actually show our ear a little bit. So bam. Do that, bam. Okay, bam. Now our ear is showing, so we're good. We good now. Let's do this side. Our ear is free over here too. So we good, we good. And I'm actually going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace now and then put the headband on to really melt the lace. So let's go ahead and cut off this excess lace. Got my eyebrow razor right here. Just a little 99-cent eyebrow razor. You see this lace is super duper thin. I'm gonna have to touch up this side. So let's go ahead and put down these pieces I kind of had to redo. And then I redid a piece over here in the front, so I'm just gonna use this to melt it down. Use some kind of flat edge, so I'm just using my eyebrow razor, the side that doesn't have the razor, of course. So bam. But okay, so now we're going to go ahead and melt this wig. Okay, and while that's going, I'm going to actually style my hair. So let's take this clip down. And I don't know what I want to do. This is a lot of hair, you guys. A lot of pretty hair, you guys. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet. Okay, got my hot comb heated up. I might want like a cute little side part look. I'm also gonna hook up my little flat iron. I like when people use those. I know like Arrogant Tay and Jada, they like to use these little skinny flat irons. That's cute, but I do think I want to put a bow in my hair today. Depending on what I wear, I might want a bow. And I can have a really deep side part. So I'm happy about that. Like with a full 13x6, you can have a deep side part. I'm just gonna have to come back and do like other styling videos later when I finally figure out how to do the zigzag part that I dream of. My dream part. Okay, I'm kind of ready to take this band off because it's just ruining my styling to me. Okay, it looks really good. No baby hair, but I love baby hair, you guys. I love it. So I'm going to add just a little baby hair over here at the temple, I think. And I definitely don't want it to be too thick. I'm going to make it longer because it's better if I make it too long, then I can cut it. Then I make it too short. So let's make it a little longer. And I'm going to go ahead and use this flat iron here and curl these baby hairs. We don't want no thick, full-grown baby hairs. We don't want them to be babies. Like, we don't want them too big. And I like to add a little sideburn, so let's also add sideburn. Honestly, I think it might have looked better before the baby hair. It might look better before the baby hair. Let me take some of this, because this piece is a little too thick right here. I don't like that. I just need the baby hair to be like barely there. Barely there. But let's add some sideburns, because I do like sideburns. Okay. Okay, I'm like loving how messy these baby hairs look. Like I want baby hairs, but I don't want them to be like gelled down beautifully or anything. I like the messiness of it. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little makeup in this part over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and wet this hair a little bit, get it to eat the way I want it to eat, put a few products in it. So I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So this is just water in here too, by the way. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this Aussie hair leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, and that is it. We just did a nice little side part look. I do think I'm gonna switch to a middle part and do like some cute bows, but this hair is so pretty and it is super long, you guys. I am in love. For 34 inches, like it looks really long, and I'm 5'7", you guys, but I am obsessed. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you for watching. Bye.